A policeman starts to chase a thief. When the thief goes 10 steps, the policeman moves 8 steps, and 5 steps of the policeman is equal to 7 steps of the thief. The ratio of the speeds of the policeman and the thief is dash. Question by Sony. What is given here? A policeman starts to chase a thief. When the thief goes 10 steps, the policeman moves 8 steps, and 5 steps of the policeman, right? 5 step of the policeman is equal to 7 step of the thief, right? Though this is one thing I can equate, or I can say 1 step of the police is equivalent to 7 by 5 step of the thief, correct? That's one thing that I can say from the given information. Now what is given here? When the thief goes 10 steps, the policeman moves 8 steps, or how many steps does the policeman move in terms of the thief? See, 1 step of the police is equal to 7 by 5 step of the thief, or I can say 8 steps moved by the police is equal to 8 into 7 by 5, correct? Or that is nothing but 56 by 5 step of the thief. Okay, now what is the question? And how much distance is the thief? The thief is now moving 10 steps. So when the policeman moves 56 by 5 steps, which is equivalent to the number of steps that the thief could move, right? 8 step of the police is equivalent to 56 by 5 steps of the thief. When the policeman moves so much, the thief is moving how much? He is moving 10 steps. So, or I can say the ratio of the speed, right? What is it that I have to find out? I have to find out the ratio of the speed of the police and the thief. What is the ratio of speed of the police and thief? That is nothing but equal to the ratio of the distance covered by the police and the thief in the same time, right? Time has to be same, distance divided by time is speed. So ratio of speed of the police to the thief is nothing but the ratio of the distance covered by the police and the thief in the same time. Or what is that here? 56 divided by 5 is to 10, or 56 is to 50, that is 28 is to 25. Yes, it's given here. When the thief goes 10 steps, the policeman goes 8 steps. See, what did we actually try to do? The distance covered by the thief, right? 10 steps of the thief might be like this, 1, 2, 3 and so on, right? Steps of the thief. Step of the policeman might be like this, big steps, right? So basically I can't directly equate these two, right? Because the length of the step of the policeman and the thief might be different. So what did I do? I represented everything in terms of the policeman, correct? I represented this step in, everything in terms of the thief. The policeman also I converted in terms of the thief. So now I can compare the steps, right? So 56 by 5 steps is taken by the policeman and 10 steps is taken by the thief. So the ratio that you are looking for is 56 is to 50 or 28 is to 25. Is it clear? We equated this because 8 steps covered by the policeman, in the same time the thief is covering 10 steps, correct? Time is the same, so distance divided by time, right? That is going to give you the speed. Clear? See, we know that 5 step of the police is equal to 7 step of the thief. This is one information that is given in the question. Now when I talk about steps, right, the policeman seems to have a bigger leg, right, and the thief seems to have a smaller leg. Why? When the thief goes 10 steps, the policeman moves 8 steps. That is 10 steps of the thief, right, is equivalent to, in the same time the policeman is moving 8 steps, right? 10 steps the thief is moving, same time policeman is moving only 8 steps. Similarly 5 steps of the policeman is equal to 7 steps of the thief. So basically to equate the steps taken by police and thief, I have represented everything in terms of the thief, right? See, 1 step of the police is actually equal to 7 by 5 steps taken by the thief. That is why I have written this. That is why I have done this, right? Now, how many steps did the police take here? The police actually took 8 steps. So 8 steps by the police is nothing but equivalent to 56 by 5 steps of the thief, right? And at this time, how many steps did the thief take? He took 10 steps, right? So this is the ratio of the distance that is traveled by the police and the thief at that point. Here remember the time is same. So this gives you the relationship between the speed as well. Okay. So, you will get the answer as 56 is to 50, or that is 28 is to 25.